Want to have a snack in class? Bite off a piece of an eraser, eat a berry from the brooch, and blow a bubble with sweet tape. Watch a step-by-step instruction on how to sneak food into class in our new video. There is a lot to do at school, as always. We have to like new photos, talk about what we did on vacation, and come up with new ways to prank the teacher. By the way, here she comes! We have to hide all of our stuff under the desk right now. Oops! Who is it? Meet our new teacher, Miss Elizabeth. Wow! She looks attractive. But where is our beloved Miss Smith? Apparently, she's not back from her vacation yet. Even the new teacher can't make us get rid of old habits. Chewing in class became a tradition. Cindy's got bubble gum, but we are not sure about a possible reaction of the new teacher. This is why we use a secret bubble gum holder. Coat a tape dispenser with acrylic paint. Put a paper ring onto the holder and wind a Hubba Bubba strip around it. Assemble the dispenser and take out the end of the gum. My bubble gum is hidden nicely. Hubba Bubba instead of the tape. But it's hard to play a trick on Miss Elizabeth. I really like it. I think I'll keep it. She takes the tape dispenser, tears off a piece, and puts it into her mouth. The new teacher enjoys blowing a big bubble in class. Cindy erases her pencil with a regular eraser. So boring! Take my sweet Mamba eraser. Attach 4 chewy candies to each other using gelatin glue. Wrap the block with a cardboard strip having an eraser name on it. Hot glue the end. Cindy can't figure out what's so special about my eraser. Is it made out of candy? Miss Elizabeth needs an eraser. Where is it? She will have to ask the girls for it. She takes the sweet eraser by accident. She will find out our secret now. But the teacher likes Mamba too. She eats the entire candy gladly. Redhead needs a knife right now. She wants to cut off all her loose ends she has at school. But Cindy doesn't have a proper tool. Maybe Miss Elizabeth has a knife. Roll out a sour rainbow belt and cut it off at an angle. Cut off the excess to make it the same size as a utility knife blade. Make a small hole at the bottom. Take apart a utility knife. Attach the sour belt instead of the blade and put it onto the knife. Our new teacher has not only a sharp eye, but also a sharp knife. She kindly gives us the rainbow knife. I take out the blade. It looks like unicorn school supplies. It bends suspiciously and smells like a candy. It's dangerous to take food from the knife blade, but this blade is so tempting itself. Miss Elizabeth can prank her new students too. Dolly sneaked food into class on her clothes. She made a sweet brooch. Don't worry, our new teacher won't mind it. Knead fondant and make a circle. Hot glue a back pin on a felt strip. Trim the edge using a round cutter. Cover the fondant with confectionery glue and attach small candies of different shapes and colors to the brooch. Dolly worries that the new teacher will take her accessory, but Miss Elizabeth likes gummies too. Unfortunately, her candy bag has gotten empty, but she sees a sweet brooch on her student. Excellent! Redhead assures her friend that she has nothing to worry about. The new teacher is very friendly when it comes to candies in class. She is not angry with Dolly for the brooch. On the contrary, she asks her to share. You can consider it as a teacher's tax on food in class. Now you can keep eating your candies. See? I told you she's cute. Dolly adores donuts. It's a pity this donut on the pen is not edible, but everything becomes